tells us lots of information here. So D is on AB such that AB, so the whole way from A to B is 4 times A to D. So I'd have one A, that'll be another A, there'll be another A there, and there'll be a final A going to there. So it wants to know what the vector A to B is. Well, that'll be just 4A, and don't forget to put a little squiggle under the A to show it's a vector. B to C, that means I've got to start at B here and get to C, so I'm going to come all the way back here, which would be minus 4A, and then I've got to go all the way along here, so I need to know how many of these, and E is, again, it's 4 AEs, 4 of those, so 1, 2, 3, 4 is not to scale, 4 of those, so it's going to be minus 4A plus 4 Bs. You could, if you wanted to, change that around to put 4B minus 4A, but don't forget to squiggle underneath the vectors. E to F, well, to go from E to F, I'm going to go from E to A, so that E to F will be from E to A, that now takes me to there, and then I'm going to go from A to B, so plus A to B. I'm going to take my time a bit, it's 2 marks, it's worth it, and then B to F plus B to F, and that will then do it. So E to A, that's going to be minus B, plus A to B, just worked it up here, that's 4 A's, and then I've got to go from B to F, and that will be, well, again, it hasn't gone the whole way from B to C, it's gone a quarter of the way because it's 4BF, so it's gone plus a quarter of B to C, and it's only a quarter of the way there, and B to C we worked out here was minus 4A plus 4B, and that is, let's do our A's, we've got 4 A's and plus a quarter, no, minus a quarter of 4 A's, that's minus 1A, so that'll be 3 A's, and then I've got minus B, and I've got plus a quarter of 4 B's, that'll be plus a B, that's it, it's just 3 A's. And what does it tell us? Parts 1 up here and part 3, what do they tell us about AB and EF? Well, AB is 4A, EF is 3A, it means they must be parallel. And it also means that I've got my answer correct. Done.